We all know the ocean is teeming with life, from playful dolphins to gigantic whales. But there's a hidden world beneath the waves, vital to the health of our planet, that often goes unnoticed. Plankton. These microorganisms, often unseen by the naked eye, are the unsung heroes of the ocean, playing a pivotal role in sustaining life beneath the waves. They form the base of the marine food chain, serving as a crucial food source for a myriad of creatures. But their role doesn't stop there. They are also key players in regulating our climate, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, much like the trees in our forests. These tiny powerhouses, though often overlooked, are the lifeblood of the ocean, maintaining the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. From the majestic whales to the tiniest fish, everything in the ocean relies on plankton for survival. There are two main types of plankton: phytoplankton and zooplankton. Picture phytoplankton as microscopic plants floating near the ocean's surface. They drift along the current, soaking up sunlight and converting it into energy through photosynthesis, the same process used by plants on land. But these aren't your typical garden varieties. In fact, they're invisible to the naked eye. Yet their role in our world is colossal. They may be small, but don't underestimate their power. Phytoplankton are responsible for producing about half of the oxygen on our planet. That's right, every second breath you take, you can thank phytoplankton. But that's not all. They're also our planet's natural vacuum cleaners, absorbing carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas, helping to regulate our climate. Now, let's switch gears to zooplankton. These aren't plants, but tiny animals that feast on the phytoplankton. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, from krill, which are like miniature shrimp, to copepods, tiny crustaceans that are the most abundant animal species on Earth. Zooplankton are the ocean's roving buffet, a movable feast that's sought after by a host of marine creatures. They play a crucial role in the food chain, serving as sustenance for a variety of marine life, ranging from small fish to the largest animals on Earth like the blue whale. But there's more to zooplankton than just being a meal. As they feed on phytoplankton, they too begin to absorb carbon dioxide. And when they die or are eaten, they carry that carbon to the ocean depths, locking it away from the atmosphere. This is known as the biological pump, a vital process in our planet's carbon cycle. In essence, zooplankton are like the moving pastures of the ocean, providing food for everything from fish to filter-feeding giants like whale sharks. So next time you see a beautiful image of our blue planet, remember the invisible architects that keep the marine world spinning: the plankton. The health of the plankton population directly impacts the health of the entire marine ecosystem. This is where the magic of the marine world really comes to life, and we see the true power of these tiny organisms. Think of plankton as the first domino in a long and intricate line. These microscopic powerhouses are the lifeblood of the ocean, the spark that sets off the chain reaction of life beneath the waves. From the smallest shrimp to the largest whale, every creature in the ocean is connected to plankton in some way. When plankton thrive, the whole ecosystem thrives. Phytoplankton, with their photosynthesis magic, produce oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. This, in turn, provides a healthy environment for marine life to flourish and helps to regulate our planet's climate. Zooplankton, the tiny grazers of the sea, feed on phytoplankton. This crucial interaction forms the basis of the marine food chain. Zooplankton serve as a vital food source for a range of creatures, from small fish to majestic whale sharks. As these animals feed on zooplankton, energy is transferred up the food chain, supporting a rich diversity of life. But what happens if that first domino, the plankton, starts to wobble? What if the plankton population decreases? The consequences can be devastating. A decline in plankton means less food for the creatures that rely on them. Fish populations can plummet, leading to a ripple effect up and down the food chain. Predators lose their prey and entire species can be threatened. And it's not just about the food chain. Coral reefs, those vibrant underwater cities, also rely on plankton. Many corals feed on plankton, and a decrease in these tiny organisms can affect the health of these incredible ecosystems. Coral reefs are already under threat from climate change and pollution, and a decline in plankton could add another stressor to these fragile habitats. So, while they may be tiny, plankton hold a gigantic role in maintaining the balance of life in our oceans. A decrease in plankton can lead to a domino effect, disrupting the food chain and impacting everything from fish populations to the health of our coral reefs. Plankton may be tiny, but they are the invisible architects of our oceans. These minuscule marvels hold the very fabric of marine life together, shaping the health and vitality of our seas. But their diminutive size belies their colossal importance. Every breath you take, every wave that crashes on the shore, every creature that dances beneath the ocean's surface owes its existence to these microscopic builders. Yet, plankton populations are under threat. Human-induced climate change, pollution, and overfishing are causing their numbers to dwindle. Their decline spells disaster for the ocean ecosystems they support, and ultimately for us. But there's hope. By understanding the role of plankton in our ecosystems and the threats they face, we can take action. We can reduce pollution, tackle climate change, and promote sustainable fishing practices. We can be the guardians of these unseen architects, the champions of plankton. By understanding and protecting these vital organisms, we can ensure the health of our seas for generations to come. What can we do to help plankton? There are countless ways in which we can contribute to the protection of these tiny oceanic architects. We can begin by reducing ocean pollution and taking steps to protect these microscopic powerhouses. Let's start a conversation. Share your thoughts in the comments below on how we could make a difference. If the hidden wonders of the ocean captivate you, don't miss out on our future explorations. And if you're fascinated by